we've got another Renault Master to look at.
Get out, look. Oh, stop it. Hey,
With a very energetic dog.
will you calm down? Anybody's thinking, no. It's so excitable.
Inside,
Let's just get this.
uh,
There we go. That's so good.
we've got fixed bed,
Yeah,
which
calm down.
is similar to ours, and lots of storage underneath. And tea, fridge. This one's still got the bulkhead in and used for storage. There's also storage up the top where we've got the air conditioning unit. Utilising the electronics or the electrics inside the van for the solar panel. And again, kept the lockers like we have, and gives that so much storage. And there's drawers and the kitchen unit aside, with something that we might be looking at some stage to extend the work surface. Just a fold up table, give you another length of worktop there.
Stop it, stop it.
More storage up at the top.
Dave was saying that he stores his bike under there, so it goes
Yeah, that's what.
under the fridge.
That's why that's got that gap there.
Alright, so this gap is where the bike,
The waste-
Dave's bike goes.
Yeah.
It stops, it fits just nicely.
His spashers, the diesel heaters in the corner like it is in ours. So yeah, it's, again, we keep saying this, but it is, we end up with the same sort of basic van, but every idea on how to fill the space and utilise the bits is quite different. So it is really nice to wander around and see everybody's thoughts and how people have gone about it. So yeah, another nicely converted van. You've got, you say you've got a solar panel on this?
I haven't.
You haven't?
Not yet.
Not yet, alright.
I'm looking into it.
Yeah.
This is where, as you know, bed storage.
Yeah, again,
And keep the tools
the
in.
garage
And
storage.
if you saw the lead coming in, he goes into a.
Right.
Uh,
Oh yeah. There's the 240 hookup
yeah.
distribution box.
Yeah, with the
Trips.
But
Again.
I didn't want to go drill through the side, so I just thought I'd do it this way instead. It works fine.
But again, so much storage space under the bed. It's
Yeah, it's fantastic.
it's fantastic,
yeah,
isn't it? Yeah, that's what we've got.
Keep me wedges, tools.
Yeah. And gas. What have you done for gas?
Gas, I just use a portable stove.
The portable stove for cooking.
Yeah, you know, the cheap
Yeah,
portables. It's
with
fine.
the
yeah.
canisters inside.
And on this trip, because I've got a hookup, I've
Yeah.
got a little electric
Right. Yeah.
grill. So, yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
All right, thanks, Keith.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
I
Dave has just told me that his bed is actually hinged. There's a middle section of the bed, so he can remove the cushions, which are old caravan
Old caravan cushions.
Old caravan
yeah,
cushions
keep
and
them in storage.
take those out. But the bed can lift up, hinge up, and if he needs to carry anything that's really big and long, it virtually back to a van. So it's the flexibility enables Dave to transport things if he needs to. So he's literally just the middle section of the bed hinges up and attaches up here somehow, and he's got a van. So yeah, again, another flexible idea for people to think about.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.